Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Let's learn a powerful way to calm your mind instantly. First, let's quickly understand what causes anxiety and how it affects your health. How anxiety is caused. Anxiety happens when your brain senses danger, whether real or imagined. This activates the flight or fight response, releasing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. The result, racing thoughts, restlessness, and that constant feeling of unease. How to reduce anxiety by thinking. To calm your mind, challenge your thoughts. Realistic, ask yourself, is this worry? Replace negative thoughts with positive. Shifting your mind significantly reduce anxiety. Train your mind to think differently can significantly lower anxiety. The 478 deep breathing technique. Here is a proven way to relax. Now inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat this 4 times and you will feel your heart rate drop and your mind calm instantly. Make this technique part of your daily routine and see how it helps reduce stress.